What's up, foodies? Welcome to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode, we'll be making a very healthy delicacy. This is sweet potato stew. Yeah, it's a tongue twister, but yes, this is what we're going to be making. So, and baby, we never used any spices, so this is very, very baby friendly. So, the first step is peel your sweet potatoes, and for this recipe, we only used 2 sweet potatoes, okay, and add boiled them. So that's why it's very, very easy for me to peel, but you can decide whether to fast boil or if you don't want to fast boil them, okay. So personally, I fast boiled them, and then we just peeled them, and you cut them to your own desired shape and size. And since they are already boiled, I didn't want to cut them into major smaller pieces. So that we have tomatoes, capsicum, onions, and garlic, and then our sweet potatoes over there. So let's start stewing. So you have your cooking oil, add in your red onions, saute them, and then you add in your garlic and ginger, guys, and then you add in the tomatoes and let the tomatoes cook. After that, you're going to add in our red bell pepper. The red bell pepper is very sweet and good for color, and then we add in our sweet potatoes at that juncture, and you're going to stir them carefully because you don't want to mash them. Remember, if they are boiled, they can easily mash. Okay, yeah, so that is the only downside of that. Add in some water because you want some stew, and just like that, our sweet potatoes are ready.